Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome. It is I, Covino, part of Freeport Studios. Today, we are closing the loop, folks. Closing the loop. We are going to complete this here elemental boss. You heard that right. Complete it. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be great. It's going to be completed. Oh, that's an ad. And then we're going to win. That's what's going to happen. Completing the loop. So once it's completed, then we get to refactor. No, this is the refactor. This is the refactor. So what we're going to do is I need to pop out all these chats in OBS here. I did this morning. I may have deleted everything on OBS and then fixed it all up, which was quite fun, quite exciting. Green Kitty, yo, no one first aid, so I'll claim it now first. Well, actually, I claimed first 4 hours ago, so awkward. Nuh-uh, but you didn't say first. I did say first 4 hours ago because I was testing the chat. Look at that. Look at that. I got the chat back. I just need to fix this. It kind of messed up though. Boom. Oh my lord. Now I also have to move that chat over. I didn't get to fully check it. I tested it a little bit. Here we go. Get out of here. Yes, that's me. There we go. I had to like sign into the YouTube chat. Live. Boom. And then we can hop over to the goal. Nope, that's not it. Not the goal. The chat. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, now we got the chat set up. OBS is fixed. Everything's set up. It looks good. It looks great. We got the volume stuff going. We're ready. We're ready. Yeah. All right, so we got some I actually came across some exciting little news on X last night. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I've been secretly practicing my Pong. And did you know that in Godot there is a ping pong function in Godot? That gamer, howdy do. Look at this. There's a ping pong function. Isn't that awesome? I had no idea. I don't know if it's useful. But like if we're making Pong, like you just put the two paddles, make it ping pong off, going to the opposite, like that, probably the edge area or something. What'd it do? Howdy do, Quellis. The ping pong function. It's meant for wrapping through arrays. And it just does this. It's like the wrap index goes one at a time. It's like going through like a float, except it ping pongs. Boing, 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 boing. So fancy. I had no clue about it. No clue. Real fancy like. In this gift, we wrapped each between 0 and 5 raw inputs. Different ways of wrapping numbers. Oh, cool. We got some more followers. Nice. Nice. I see. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so what we're doing is we're closing the loop. We're closing it. So what we got here is it's just about done, like super close. Boom. He rolls at us. Now he's not facing the right ways when he's rolling, so we broke that. But he's walking towards the area. He's gonna shoot the spikes. He's gonna shoot the spikes. Oh no. Oh no, what happened? This is unfortunate, indeed ironic. What happened? What why can I push him now? What just happened? Oh man. Vevin, he really is. Oh. Listen, folks, I swear this was working. This was working yesterday. What is going on? He's gonna shoot the spikes. What happened? So, all right. Let's take it one step at a time. He will... So, first thing that happens is we start rolling towards the area .global position, so the area that collides with it, which is us. Then start roll. So here in start roll, he'll look at us, pause for a second. Howdy, Ruben. And then we set the direction to the global base is Z. Then we play the animation, boss roll start up the roll timer, and head to the roll state. Howdy, Sammy. So once we do that, we are in the roll state. So if the timer is currently going, which it is because we started it, then we will roll using the delta. So the roll is we have a variable for forward, rock ball base is Z, our distance, which is velocity times delta, our rotation angle, distance, so velocity times delta divided by 2 times pi times 360 dot length to turn it into a float. Then we got the rotation axis, which is just vector 3 up crossing the direction, normalized, which normalized switch it to between 0 and 1. Then we take the ball and we rotate it based on that rotation axis and the rotation angle multiplied by delta. And we set our velocity to direction times stats dot movement speed dot value times 15 because we're going super fast. Now, maybe the velocity needs to go up more before we do anything else. That looks like math to me, all right. Indeed, because it is math. It is math. Interesting. Oh, what I forgot to do is show mod icons. There we go. There we go. But as I was saying earlier, I reset up Howdy Savage. I reset up OBS. So everything works now. As you can see, there's a chat. I changed it up just a little bit. Hopefully it will be more legible now. I think. I made it a little bit bigger. A little bit better, I think. Possibly. Let me know what you think. We can always play around with that more. But yeah. All right. And I started setting up StreamerBot, but then it broke for YouTube, and so I have to fix that again. It looks like chat. Sweet. Sweet. All right. So why is this breaking? We hit play. Let's just go look at him real quick. Okay. Boom, he faces us and he starts rolling. And he got caught on a wall. That's fine. That's expected. He's going to run back. Or meander back, really. He didn't shoot the spikes. We got some... These I don't think are anything to do with it, though. No, it's not. What have you broken? That's the thing. I just started it up. That's all I did, is I started it. And then it's not working. Okay, so it's clearly something in between special and idle. So we can take... This is the wrong script. Between special and idle. So states.roll, or sorry, special. We are waiting 2 seconds. If day of the week is equal to Friday, work level equals 0. False, Savage. There's no such thing as days controlling your work level. That's null. Null. Nil. That's what it is. Listen, it doesn't matter what day it is. We work. There is no factors there. We work. It's officially called Poets' Day. Poets' Day. What does that mean? People order entrees that I don't know what that stands for. Piss off early tomorrow, Saturday. Oh. Nah. That's not what we do. No way. Listen, the day of the week doesn't matter. It's arbitrary. It's made up. Are you really going to allow someone's made up rules to control you? Control what you're able to accomplish? Yes. Green Kitty, you're supposed to be like, no. Yeah, there we go. No. Stand up to the arbitrary rules. That's a rule in the UK? Well, the UK is dumb then. Fight the power. Exactly, Savage. Exactly. You gotta fight the power. Fight the power. Green Kitty knows what's up. Don't insult power. Easy to manipulate. Check. Wait. Listen, folks. All the days, they just kind of morph together. They're all made up. Today is just another day, another opportunity to get this game done, work towards our goals, accomplish the mission, or I guess accomplish steps towards the mission. Wouldn't listening to Covino telling me to say no be not fighting the power? Well, no, Green Kitty, listen. I am not the power. I'm not the power. I have no power. I have no power here. If anything, you're the one with the power, because you have the power to help ensure our success or failure at Freedom Forge Studios. So really, it's all you. You have the power. You have the power of dance. He's just Covino. Yeah, down with me. I am just Covino. But you guys, all of you, members of the Freedom Forge Studios team, have power. I am powerless compared to y'all. That's really what's happening. Because think about it. If you guys weren't here, we wouldn't get any views. No one would even know who Covino is. No one would even know that there's such thing as Freedom Forge Studios. I don't have any power. I can't do yeehaw. Well, listen. 3 more days. 3 more days. And then we are affiliate. That's it. 3 more days, then we're affiliate. World record. Fastest affiliate possible. We have the power. Indeed. If you're a Power Ranger, what would be your color? Ooh. See, I don't remember what, because each Power Ranger kind of had like an emotion attachment to them. And I don't remember what they were. It was either like wrong? It was based on race? Was it? Was it? I thought they had an emotional thing that was like attaching them. I could have sworn. The original Power Rangers was ridiculously racist. I thought hang on. Different Power Rangers, colors and meanings. So the reds tended to be, see, you got to trust Reddit here. Green, Native American was red. No way, no way. There's no link, apparently. It varies season to season. Yellow, cheetah, green, lizard. Find a theory. The color represents red being with power, blue knowledge, water, fire, electricity, cheetah. No such thing. I guess they just don't have a such thing. The Red Ranger's usually a white guy because racism in red was the pro tag. What? When he stopped being evil. Original Power Rangers. Okay. 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 I see what's going on here. I see what you mean. Okay. These are the original. I didn't realize that. Wow. Guess what his fighting style was? Breakdancing? No, it was not. No way. The racist thing would be not to do that. All right. We're getting sidetracked here with the Power Rangers. Oh my lord. The Green Ranger wasn't Jewish? Are you sure? Model. It's from Texas, actually. Wait here. He was an MMA fighter. Let's go to his personal life. Oh, he died. Oh, no. That's so sad. Interesting. Anywho, the power racists. Oh man, oh man. All right, well, Power Rangers also have some of the worst writing I've ever seen. Yeah, but listen, for as a little kid, like, are you trying to tell me? Wait for it. There's a new movie coming out. Wow. Are you trying to tell me as a little kid, this was not like hype as fuck? Like you would like freak out and be like, whoa! Like, look at that. Boom. You're telling me you wouldn't be freaking out? I also love the big mechas and explosions as a dumb kid. Exactly. Like, this is what they do. They do it for... This is for the kids. It was always pretty cheesy, but it was fun cheesy. I mean, look at this. Who does this? Oh, I'm about to get ready for a fight. And then you're ready. It's like, no one does that. Oh, man. Those are VR troopers. They move their arms like that when they talk. Forget fighting. Listen, I tend to move my hands when I talk as well, but... Wait, I thought they transformed into the mechs. Ready! Try the Kamehameha next time. Listen, that... I don't know about you guys if you've ever done a Kamehameha, but, like... There's something to it. There is something to it. You'll feel it. We need a channel point redeemed for Power Rangers mode when you talk like a suited up Power Rangers. Alright guys, let's focus on code! I agree, Ruben. I would not want to talk like that whatsoever. That's just so annoying. Alright guys, if it's not on the floor, velocity.y minus equals 20 times delta! It's not good. That was 100% it. Redeem yeehaw. Oh man. I'll see it through. Just a little. Well, really, guys, we need to focus on this code. All right. Oh, my Lord. Viewer retention. Viewer retention increased. All right. I can't. We're getting the new Power Ranger from Texas. A Covino Texas Ranger. A regular Texas Ranger. Yeehaw. Alright, why ain't we shooting spikes? That's the question. I wonder, wait a moment. Let's check it in the, first thing is check the obvious ones. Because the obvious answers are typically the ones. Boss special. Alright, nothing's happening here. Interesting. Let's go to 3D. Ah, interesting. Interesting. Add track. Method call. That's weird that it deleted. Because this should be shoot spikes. Boom. I want Cowboy times Super Sentai now. And they stand on giant robo horses. Do a roundhouse? I mean, I don't know about that. The Pink Ranger will be wearing Daisy Dukes. Indeed. Indeed. Alright, let's see if it shoots now. Oh, okay. You're rolling, rolling, rolling. It didn't look like it was rolling the correct way. Maybe it's just me. Rolling. Alright, we shoot the spikes. Doing well. Oh, one landed right on us. Beautiful. Regrow spikes. Interesting. The animations aren't playing. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I won't be able to see it, but I reckon it's this one. Add track. Method call. That's so strange. They didn't save. Them animation tarnations, indeed. You've hidden spikes? No. That's part of the code, what's supposed to do. But the odd part is that all of our method calls got unattached. Which is very strange. Or not even all of them, but just a couple of them. Just randomly disappeared. I wonder why. Alright, we shoot. And then they're gonna land. Boom. Regrow. There they are. Face us and roll. Huh. That's so strange. Now let's make sure it works again. This is where we're having the issue. I blame Green Kitty. Indeed. Alright, boom. Regrow. Face. Roll. Is it? Wait. Is that it? Alright, it shoots. They land. Boom, regrow. Face us and start rolling. Okay, cool. And then he comes back. That's perfect. How strange. There, it does all this. Took a nap for a sec. Yeah, the bounciness on the roll tends to mess up a little bit. Just a little bit. Well, howdy, partner. Hope y'all's having a good morning. Now you here? I do hear indeed. Welcome. Hello. Howdy. We're just finishing up our little finishing touches on the elemental boss here. Why, welcome in, Risky. What a name. Indeed. What a name. Alright, so what we need to do is first step. Very first step. The spike ability. What we gotta do is we need to increase the speed. Currently, the speed is 12. That needs to go much higher to 20. Save. Because it just ain't going fast enough. And then the next thing, we got 24 errors. And those are all with these. The current value changed. So we gotta remember how we fixed this before. My name is well earned. Let's just say that. Yikes. Yikes. Hit play. Alright, let's see these spikes. See if the spikes go at a good... See, look, he's rolling weird. Now he ain't. He rolled weird once. Might be a later problem. Alright, we shoot. They land. I feel like that didn't change the speed. Did y'all see a speed change? I didn't really see no speed change. Speed is 20. It's okay to roll a little weird. Let's try 25. Maybe the export just ain't working. Make sure our mathematics are correct. Times speed. Times delta. Alright. Let's go to the boss. Go to the shoot spikes. We ain't messing with the speed nowhere. Okay. Interesting. Let's try that. My spikes work. There we go. Yeah, when we build these the models, we're gonna have to make sure that there's a flat enough area where it can bounce off. Because we tried putting guardrails, but those just didn't work. We could extend them up, but... Alright, that did go a little faster when we did it in the code. Did go a little bit faster. Could you not just make an invisible wall? Oh, we definitely could. We definitely could. Most certainly. It really depends on the shape that ends up coming out in our for the mountains, because I don't want to have just like a flat wall and then it look like it doesn't actually bounce off the edge. So we have to like probably tilt it a little bit, depending on the model. So I don't know yet. I don't know yet. But the spike, I think what we need to do is actually change the speed up to like 45. Save that. Hit play. I want ice cream. You want ice cream? What kind of ice cream? Alright, here we go. Based on his size, you can push the wall back into the mountain a bit. True. True. Cookie dough, of course. That ain't bad. Ain't a bad choice. Whoa! Those were spooky. Bam, bam. Wait, what? These three didn't land. Huh? What happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, they all land. Oh, they did land. Alright. That's weird. It just has extra areas that ain't deleting themselves. I don't think it's that big of a deal, because it's not like the player's going to see it, but ice cream is a super important part of the game dev process. Interesting. I have ice cream, but I won't share it with you. Shoot. We did like a month back or so when our AC broke. We did get some ice cream. We did get some ice cream, and it was quite good. Quite good indeed. But it was expensive. Expensive ice cream. Ice cream's expensive. Discord. The Discord doesn't work? Oh, that's right. I didn't finish putting it in the thing. Invite people. Edit invite link. Never. Generate. Copy. There you go. Still no Discord? There's been a Discord, Risky. It's the same Discord as before. I'm pretty sure you're in it. Yeah, we're not making a new Discord. We're keeping the same Discord. Because really what we're trying to do is point people towards Freedom Forge Studios. Instead of Freedom Forge Studios just pointing to me and everyone else. Yeah. Ice cold. All right. Next up. I was going to say, this is why no one will remember your name, but I thought I'd dial it up a bit. I wasn't in it. I thought I was. Oh, I could have sworn you were too. How strange. Well, welcome to the Discord. We got something exciting coming up on the Discord in a couple days, actually. Something exciting, pretty nifty and cool. Yeah. All right. So what we need to do now is we need to enable the shooting. So we need to be able to attack the boss. It's okay. I'll just eat the ice cream when code isn't looking. Smart. So this was the same issue we had on our other bosses, but then we managed to fix it. How did we fix it, though? How did we fix this? On health changed. By the meddlesome kids and their stupid dog, too. Alright, let's go to... I think if we go to the... Actually, let's just go to the UI scene. Boss bar. So we have boss.stats. Then on the health, it should be... Connected to callable progress bar. On health? No, that doesn't... Is already connected. Why does it say it's already connected? Set boss health bar. How did all of the disconnected Scooby-Doo villains have the same taglines at the end? I just realized it makes no sense. I mean, think about it. Imagine your plan being foiled by a bunch of kids and a dog. I feel like there's not much you can say besides, "Aw, drats, my plan has been foiled. And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddlesome kids and your stupid dog too." And don't forget about Scrappy Doo. Maybe they had a group, probably a group chat, yeah. A villain group chat. Costumed Fraudsters Club. I mean, hey, some of their costumes, oh, they were high tech. These people knew something, or knew a guy, kind of thing. Pretty crazy. On health changed in that object. Scrappy was done dirty in the movie. He was fun in the old cartoons, yeah. Scooby Gang hates cosplayers, confirmed. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, must be employed in janitorial or hygiene services. I thought a couple of them were like museum curators, where they were trying to generate business. Let's look at our other boss. Maybe that will give us some answers to what we're looking for. Maybe in the ready. Okay, nope, definitely not there. What's wrong with it now? We're trying to clear out these errors. How the set boss health is already connected to the callable, but how? Where? I don't know how we managed to do that. On health changed. And like this is the same thing with every boss, but we fixed it for the other bosses, and I don't remember how we did it. We are calling this in the boss bar, so the UI boss bar, and we're calling set boss health bar. Let's find it. Show boss bar. Wait, connected, new value. Wait a sec. Connected health bar versus connected with a function new value. Health bar equals new value. Wait a second. It's already connected. But it's connected to the health bar value. Under show. You call that every time you enter the boss area? Yeah, every time we enter the boss area, we do either show boss bar or hide boss bar. So on the value changed, we're taking in a new value and setting the boss health bar to the new value. But we don't need to do that, do we? We shouldn't have to do this at all. Because then on the boss itself, we call show boss bar. Show boss bar gets called, right? Yes. This gets called in the boss itself, right here, when a area shape enters or exits. Then it calls hide. Really, I don't think we want this line 24 and 25. Because we have it connected in the bar itself on health value changed, which is called set boss health bar. Boss. Where's the set being called though? Function set boss bar dot, which is in, so it's calling it twice. So if we get rid of this elemental realm play, okay, the boss bar is showing. We do have 8 errors. Let's see what the 8 are. No, it gets called again, already connected. So that didn't do it. You're connecting it in this function. That's the error. Oh, in this function here. So if we get rid of it then, because it's already connected anyways. Oh, okay. I feel like a couple of those didn't land. Yeah, that's the thing we need to check is do we hurt him? So we have to turn back on our attacking. Like so. Masking 4 and 5. Masking 4 and 5. And now we're about to find out if we can or cannot attack. I don't, wait a sec, hold up. We didn't do a take damage yet. The boss actually can't take damage. Yeah, the boss can't take damage yet. Nor can it die or anything like that. So we need just these these 3 functions here. Elemental boss. All right, take damage. So we need took damage, died. That's it. Took damage and died. I think enums are supposed to go up above the exports. Then we can do signal, took damage, signal, died. Now let's check. Invalid access to marker. Target dot marker. Oh, because I didn't name it marker. I see. Elemental boss. We just want it to be called marker, not targeting marker. Now let's try it. No channel points still? No. It's going to take 3 more days. 3 more days. Because you have to stream. So, like, the way you get affiliate is you have to be streaming for at least 7 days. We're only on 3. What the heck? Oh, yep, we're doing damage. I think. Wait, let's see if we do damage. Yep, we're doing damage. Okay, that works. Cool. But was it just me, or were these spikes going so fast that they're not working? Howdy, Temptic. Guys, am I really going to be the only one that says hi? Alright, so we do damage. They're just moving very slowly. Let's see if the 5 land, because it didn't look like it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. A couple of the spikes didn't go on their, in their proper position. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That time it did. The first time they did not, though. The first time, 4 of them missed or overlapped with another marker. And that's why there's still markers here. And now it makes the new ones. Huh. What could be causing that? It's the first time. It seems like that's what's causing the issue. Is on the first time. So it shoots them, and it should land here. These 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see, 2 of them overlapped. And so it left 2 areas. So somewhere on the first time it shoots spikes, it is not connecting the spikes together. Or the spike with the area. And why could this be? Ugh. What could be the reasoning here, folks? So we create a timer just to get the spikes so they shoot randomly, or like one at a time. We add a spike. We add the zone. And then we say the zone, global position, get spike area, spike array, fine. Now, why are we adding the zone? Oh, we have to add the zone to the boss because that's how it catches the area. Actually, no, it doesn't matter. We should be able to get parent. Get parent, add child. But then we set the spike zone's global position to a get spike area. So we go through the array and we do the global position plus a random vector 3 going between -5 and 5. And then we return the global position. And so we are taking S as the spike array dot find spike. So it finds the spike in the array. Why is that not working? It, by all means, it sounds like it should be. I'm also curious if these areas, changing them as get parent would do anything different. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so it should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that worked, but 3 of them did not queue free. Interesting. 2 of them did. 3 did not. So now we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And they didn't queue free again. So something is wrong with the spike area queue free. And I think I know what it is. I think it's the spike ability. Yeah, we're queuing free before the target area. So let's do that. And now this should, oops. Now this should get rid of them. Hopefully. Hopefully, hopefully. Now that's rolling the wrong way. Now it's not. Weird. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. They land. They didn't queue free again. Only the first 2 did, or 1 did. First 1 queue freed. If distance 2 target area, get overlapping bodies filter. Okay. So these do need to are in the if statement in the physics process. So what is causing that to happen? Rower, welcome. Good to see you. I need to move these alerts over. Boop. Howdy do, Rower. It's been a while. Missed you. Oh, I just broke YouTube chat in OBS. There we go. Hello. Hello, hello. How's it been? It's been a journey. It's been a journey. We're almost done with the elemental boss. We're just trying to do a little bit of cleanup on it, where it's going to be removing target areas. But for some reason, it's only removing it for the first one and not the other ones. which is interesting. So we go here. And then it's gonna, so it rolls. That's a lot of code you wrote there. Indeed, we wrote a lot. Because I didn't do this myself, that's for sure. That's for sure. But check this out. They land, and they don't delete their areas. These areas should be gone. I wonder if it's because we're trying to delete it from the spike probably shouldn't be the one that clears them. And instead, the areas should be the one that clear themselves. But like, there's nothing, we don't even have any code on these areas, which is strange. I'm awaiting till area is deleted. Try waiting till area is deleted. The thing is, I don't think the areas should be, or I don't think the spikes should be deleting the areas. I think the areas should probably delete themselves. Because the areas are a separate scene. For what reason? I don't know. I don't know why we did it that way. So what we can do is add a script to the spike area and then just say on probably like, I wonder if it's body shape. No, it's a physics body. On area entered. Maybe on area entered and we filter by, yeah, they're all separate areas. Yeah, maybe area entered and then we filter it by the spikes or something like that. Or we could even give in the boss, when we shoot the spikes, we could give the areas, the spike zone, we can give that a variable of the spike. And so filter by spike, or if spike, then something like that. That might work. I think. Yeah. Let's try that. So we're going to add a script to the spike area. Create. And then we're going to say node on, unless it's a shape. Local index shape index. If the areas and the spikes are different scenes, the area should decide things for itself. Right. That's what we're trying to do. Is we're going to make the areas delete themselves instead of the spikes trying to delete the areas. That just doesn't make sense. And really, right now the spikes are the ones doing the damage, but I think the area should be the one doing the damage. That way the spikes are just purely visual. Yeah. But we need to figure out which signal to put on the area to detect the mesh instance has entered. And I want to say it's area entered, and then we filter by the mesh instance. And what we can do is we give it a variable called spike, var spike. And then we can say, when we launch the spikes, is the spike an area? No. The spike is just a node with a mesh on it. We could make it an area and then just look for other areas. Hola, North Pole, how you doing? So we could do something like that. Ugh. Ugh. Hell. Hmm. Don't know yet. Are the spikes still whooping you? Not really, no. We finished, we got it all done. We're just cleaning it up, so it needs to, we're figuring out a way to remove the spikes and remove the areas properly. Because what we had was the spikes were doing everything, but really, the spikes should just be visual. And so we're going to be moving basically this to the area. And then the area is also going to queue free itself. So I almost think we need to change the boss spike from a node to an area. That's what I'm thinking. And then we just have the area detect another area. And we put them on like a different collision layer. Separate from everything else. That might work. Unless we just keep the boss area or spike area as an area, and then we can filter through there. Because we don't want body entered. Do we? Probably not a body. Because a mesh instance is not a body. So we could just do area entered. Searching for the spike. On area entered. Oh wait, that's air. It's looking for an area though. Never mind. I guess we make the spike an area then. And we can say, if area equals spike, then we say, no, that wouldn't work either, actually. Delete this. Are you tweening the spike? In what sense? The spike itself isn't doing any kind of tweens. Yeah, we're translating it. But it knows when it's time to hurt things, right? Yeah. The way it hurts things is it just checks its distance to the target area. So to the boss spike area. And then if it's less than or equal to 0.15, then we tell the area, hey, look for character bodies. And if they're not on our team, then they take damage. Equal to the boss's damage. But like you said, I don't think the spike should be telling the area to do this. I think the area should be doing this on its own. And then we can just say, if the global position is there, then it queue frees itself. When to do it. Okay. So then in that case, we can do func do damage. Damage. And then shook loose. Welcome. Howdy. Welcome to the team. What the do damage? Howdy. Indeed. Howdy indeed. Let's see here. Do damage. And then we can say get overlapping bodies. And then we actually just go back to this. Just snag this. Get overlapping bodies, filter. And then we can say target dot take damage, which actually, yeah, that's fine. Do damage. Oh, and then we have to do team too. If target dot team not equal to self dot team, then we take damage, and we can just do a quick little var team equals as string equals team. Oh, enemy, not team. And then come back over here. And we can say we do this. And we can say target area dot do damage using boss dot stats dot damage dot value, and then queue free. McGonagall died. Wait, what? Pardon? Like the professor from Harry Potter? Oh, she did. Interesting. Sad. Yeah, the actor died. Yeah, bummer for sure. I don't know anything about her besides she played McGonagall and some comedic characters in some other movies, but that's about it. She was an amazing actress? Ah. I could see that. I could see it. Alright, so we tell it to do damage. And then it does damage. And then we say self.queue free. And there's a parse error somewhere. Where's the parse error? In boss spike area GD. Oh, because I don't have a closing bracket? Oh, no, I don't have the closing bracket here. And then we need to do The Secret Garden. I don't think I've actually seen that movie. That should work? Yeah. And then we do boss spike ability. But we need to tell the area what the spike is. So we can say here, spike zone dot spike equals spike, save. So now it knows what the spike is here. Tells it to do damage. And now we hit play. Hopefully it doesn't work. Or it does work. Alright, he rolls. The animation's a little wild for the getting into the roll. It's not as obvious. It almost needs to slow down. Alright, shoots them. They land. It didn't delete them. Huh. Spike area. When we call... Oh, because we're calling it after. What if we do... I mean, I don't want the spike to say to queue free it. Tells it to do damage. And then we... After it does the damage is when we want it to queue free. But that did not work. So we shoot him. Only two of them, or one of them deleted. And that was the first spike. So the first spike deleted the area properly, or the first two actually, and then they didn't delete the other ones. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So now another set didn't delete. Why? So sets new areas. That's so strange. The spike says, hey, when I hit the area, or I hit the correct position to do damage, and then Q free. Q frees the spike. And the area on do damage goes, okay, I'll do damage. It gets the bodies, making sure it's a character body and not on our team. And then it tells the target, hey, you just took damage. And then after that, it Q frees itself. But that didn't seem to work either. That's odd. Very odd. But the thing that gets me is it works for like the first time or the first couple times when you're doing damage, when the spike is at the distance to the spike, the spike, and then the distance to the target area is less than or equal to 0.15. So basically when the spike hits the area, then it tells the area, hey, you need to do some damage, and the spike Q frees itself. And the area, when it's told to do damage, gets all the overlapping bodies, and it filters to see if there's a character body in it. So is that effectively happening? Yes, but only for a couple of them. I didn't really check if it was doing damage. I just kind of assumed it was, but it was only a couple of them Q-freed, which is odd. So let's go stand in one of the areas. Let's stand in this area here. Okay, that didn't do damage. That did not do damage. We're masking the proper targets. Magnetonics, howdy, how you doing? We're trying to figure out why this didn't work. It's not doing damage. Problem is that not each one of the spikes are doing damage. Oof, I guess this boss fight is causing you some issues. Seems like you have spent all week on it. Mostly, yeah. But we're at the final part of it where we're cleaning it up. We just need to make it do damage. It takes damage. It just needs to do damage now. It was doing damage before, but it wasn't deleting the areas properly, so we're reworking it. Damage is important indeed. Which means that the condition wherein it should be doing damage isn't happening every time. Right. Coming out the shuffle. And they should roughly land in the same place. Stand in one of the areas. Okay, we took damage. And it got rid of 3 of them, but not 2 of them. Let's see if it's 2 again this time. So stand in one of the new areas. There were 2 that didn't get deleted. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks clean? Yeah, it does look pretty cool. There are 6 now that aren't doing damage. Or that are doing damage, but they're not deleting. So we should take double damage here. We took the damage, and those ones Q-freed, but the other ones did not. Which means they didn't land in that condition of them being in the area. Isn't that correct? Well, that's the thing. We visibly saw them do it. Let's go jump in this one over here. All right, we took damage, and it Q-freed, but that one did not. Could it be if it's not detecting something? Hang on. Boss spike area. And then we say we're filtering the target area. And then we can say else queue free, and then return. Let's try this. That one's just rolling weird. Sometimes it rolls a little odd. But I think some of them just aren't doing it. That could be the case. But it seems like, well, yeah, because that's the thing. Only one would not. Oh, see, now none of them queue freed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, none of them queue freed this time. Which means maybe it's something when we're calling do damage. The spikes that are calling do damage just aren't doing the damage. Okay, now 2 of them didn't. This one didn't do damage. But it landed. And you're saying the condition isn't satisfied, but this is the condition. So let's try 0.25 maybe. And that would do, but the condition's definitely being, well, maybe it's running through the ground. Maybe the condition isn't being satisfied because it's running through the ground. Hold up. Add a silly print statement in the condition. Print it on queue free. All right, I just want to see this real quick. All but one. So add it where? Like here? And we should get 5 silly prints. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go step in 1. All right, so we got 1. Oh, let's just close this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We only got 4 of them. How is that even possible though? Because they're all going down. Like they're all landing. Wait, why is the queue free in the if? It's just in the if, so then it doesn't, because it's the physics process. So we're just checking if the condition's met. How fast are they falling? Pretty fast. They're falling at a speed of 35. So maybe that's the issue. Is they're falling so fast that some of them just don't get picked up. But like, we really don't want to make it much slower. Like if we bring it to 15, let's see if they actually all queue free. Because maybe that's the case. They're just going too fast. I'm thinking, yeah, they go past the point. Yeah. But it's less than or equal to. They all Q freed that time. And now for some reason the boss isn't working again? What? Why did the speed just break the... The shot speed just broke the boss. Why is this speed breaking things? Let's go to 20. Okay, it rolls. It shoots. Make sure we're taking damage too. Yep. They all Q free. Looks at us and rolls. Okay. Does it do it again though? Stand in one of them. Boom, we take damage. He grows them back. He faces us. And he starts rolling. Distance 2 is basically an absolute value. So then how fast can we crank this up without it breaking? If it goes more than 50 without hitting the if statement, it is greater than 25 away, but underground. Why don't you just check the Y? So we could just do global position dot distance to the Y. Friendmaster 2000. Thank you for the follow and welcome officially to our team. You don't have any emotes yet, but wait, in 3 days, whoo, you're gonna get them. You're gonna get them. Underground will still be 5. Or still be Tive. If Y is Tiv. So we just do dot Y. Negative Tive? What do you... Oh, negative. Ah. Tiv. That's... Listen. Why a dash versus just... You're saving one letter with that dash. Or neg... Tiv. You're saving 4 letters. Well, really 3. 3 inputs. Kids these days with their crazy acronyms and stuff. Like... Only... Like that. Laugh out loud. Oh my god, did he really just save only 3 letters? Oh my lord. What kind of nonsense is this? Skibbity. I need to learn these new slang terms and start putting them into my vernacular. 4 letters? No, because you -1.